Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I found a rare shoe I want to bring out. I don't have a box for it anymore, but I believe they were called Air Force Jordans. It's one of my favorites that I got. I just found them again in storage. This isn't the box for it, I just keep them in this box. So this shoe is a mix between an Air Jordan 4 and an Air Force 1. Like I said, one of my favorites. As you guys can see, I wore this one a lot. Probably gonna clean these, put them back into storage. I gotta go through all my storage shoes and clean and make sure that they're not breaking up or doing anything. This is one of the first ones that I got to when I went to storage to do my shoes. You guys can see I got the grips on the bottom, and you might not be able to see it, but there's a big sole protector on there that keeps my shoes from getting old or damaged. That's one of the secrets to keeping shoes for 20 and 30 years. You must cover the bottoms. Materials on this shoe are outstanding. It's just all Jordan 4 material. Like I said, they've probably been in this box for, I don't know, maybe a decade. Like I said, I had to go back through, replace all the plastic. You can see I'm getting some yellowing on the bottom. This bottom is supposed to be translucent, but in my opinion, it still looks good. It looks a little bit better with the bottoms a little bit yellowy. But I'm gonna take all that out anyway, so it don't matter, guys. Okay, Jumpman on the back. Materials are still good. Like I said, we're sitting in the box as long as they've been sitting in there. Shoes probably older than some of you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna start busting out 20, 30-year-old shoes. I think this might be a 15 or 20-year shoe. Like I said, all just good. See that Jordan 4 tongue, Nike Air Force bottom. I know if you guys were able to pick these shoes up back in the day, let me know if you have any. I think I have the whole collection. I have to find my new pair of 4s. Let me see if I got my, yep, got the sole shield in here. This is a fully kitted out shoe. It should be waterproof, stain proof. Like I said, nothing's breaking apart. Everything on the shoe is still good. They just need a good washing. You guys look what the shoe will look like when it's on your foot. Let me know what you guys think of the Air Jordan. What is it? The Air Force Jordans. Like I said, did you get any of these when they came out, guys? Were you looking for any of these when they came out? Guys, you know what time it is. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!